Hurry, here comes the piggy. Hurry.
Good job, Joseph.
Just drop it in the pan. Just dump it in.
There.
Stinking bugs.
Look at that poor chicken.
Told you it didn't have no feet.
Done.
Done. Well, good job, guys.
It ain't got no feet.
Get back.
He's gonna pee.
He
You
could.
guys have drank everything.
I wanna go in.
You want to go in? It's like a petting zoo, ain't it?
Pretty much.
Come here, Julia.
Don't you jump on me.
Julia, come on.
The people.
Okay, we'll see you guys in the morning.
That's
They're not
Geronimo,
gonna-
but
they
I don't know
don't.
what the other one's name is.
Go pet something.
I wanna pet the chicken.
You want to pet the chicken?
Well, you can try to pet the chicken. I guess if it pecks you, you'll learn.
Because Joseph's like, I ain't touching the chicken. It affects me. Joseph's been around chickens a couple times in his life.
I think the pig just puked, didn't it?
I think so.
Jackson, stay out of that.
He didn't see it like he did Tank earlier.
No.
Quit, Hunter.
Did he walk right through it?
All right, come on, boys.